If you accidentally deleted important files from your external hard drive, stop what you're doing right now and watch this video, because here is something most people don't know. When you delete a file, it doesn't actually disappear. Windows just marks that space as available, and the file stays hidden on your drive until something overwrites it. That means right now, your files are still there, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get them back completely free before they are gone for good. Welcome back to Michael's Digital World. Today's video is one of the most important tutorials I have made on this channel, because if you've ever accidentally deleted files from an external hard drive or SD card and thought they are gone forever, this video is going to change everything. I'm going to show you step by step how to recover those files completely free. Let's get straight into it. First, let me explain why this works. When you delete a file from an external hard drive or SD card, it doesn't get sent to the recycle bin. It just disappears, right? Well, not exactly. What actually happens is Windows removes the files from the directory. Think of it like tearing the label off a box. The box and everything inside it is still there. Windows just can't see it anymore. That means the actual data is still sitting on your drive right now. The key is to act fast and stop using the drive immediately, because every new file you save could override your deleted data and make it unrecoverable. Now, for example, I have a flash drive plugged to this computer, and when I go to my file directory and select the USB drive, you see I have Messy folder inside it. If I open the folder, you see a music, you see image, you see a video, and you see a PDF document. Now I can go ahead and delete all of this, and you would think it's permanently deleted, right? But let me show you what happens when you try to recover this file. Now, to recover a deleted file is quite easy. What you want to do is open your browser, and then in the search section for your browser, you want to paste this URL. I'm going to be leaving it in the description. This is a link to help you download Recovery Fox. So go ahead and enter on your keyboard, and it will bring you here and save the file to your PC. This allows you to recover over 500 different types of file formats on your PC. Now the next step is to install the recovery file. Go ahead and run the executable file. Once installed, it will automatically launch, and if it doesn't automatically launch, you can always double click on the shortcut which is created on your desktop to launch the app. Once the app is loaded, you find all drives that are available. Now it's recommended you do this on an external drive and not an internal drive. If you do not see your drive here, you can always hit the refresh button here and they should start showing. So this is my USB disk. What you want to do is, when you hover on it, you're going to see click to scan. Click on this and this will start scanning. It will start a quick scan and then it will start an AI scan. Now this might take a while, but you need to be patient and let it finish the scanning. You'll see the percentage of the scan progress at the bottom here. The quick scan is suitable for fast recovery of recently lost file on the disk, while the AI scan supports various complex scenarios. Deep scan, analyze and then restore the lost files. Since we recently deleted the file, we'll use the quick scan. So you can go ahead and come to this section here and then stop the AI scan. Go ahead and click on OK, and the scan will be stopped. Now in this section where you say quick scan, you will see the numbers of files that were recovered in the quick scan, and if you have other files which has been deleted with the AI deep scan, you will see them listed in this section. So what you want to do, you can expand on the drop down in this section here and you see our Messy folder which was deleted. You can also double click on it and you see all the files in it, including the music, the image, the video, and then the PDF document. Now when you come to the file type section here, you see documents, which we have one document type, the PDF, the photo, which is the photos, audio and video. Now you can also right click on them and then click on preview. You'll be able to preview if the file format supports a preview. To recover any of the documents back, What you want to do is simple. You can check on each of the file in this section, and then you can hit recover. You can also do it in this section here. When you click on the check mark on each and every one of them, if you want to, you can also click on the check mark at the top and it will select all of them. Click on recover in this section and then select where you want them to be recovered to. I'm going to select desktop and then click on OK. This will start recovering the files. Now once recovery is completed, click on OK and this will open the file directory where it was saved. So I'm going to open on the local disk here and then in the quick scan, messy folder, and then you'll be able to see all the files that were recently deleted as well as being able to open them and use them. And that's how you recover deleted files from your hard drive or SD card completely free. Remember, act fast, stop using the file and use Recovery Fox AI. If this video saved your files, drop a like. This genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more free tech tips every week and drop a comment below telling me what files you recovered. I'll see you in my next video.